Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? After a very long time, Vechain is wake up now and go in the moon now. What's the main reason to Vechain is wake up? Can upcoming time there's a chance so they will give you a profit or not, my brother? So Vechain is absolutely one of the fastest coin in the crypto market. Absolutely, the chain record will be positive, but the current condition is going to be very critical. So therefore, holders ask me to what we do this time. You can say the last 1 hour they fell down, but I will request you to don't see this short face. Please, what I tell you in this video, absolutely you understand to upcoming time can there is a chance so they will give you a profit or not, my brother. So let's get started this brand video. Kindly before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So as you can see, our Vechain last 3 months chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely show you today take a very huge jump, especially my friend in the last March of a month, my friend. You can see March to April 11, you can see here they take a very huge jump, but after that, as you can see here, 2 months they falls down continuously. 2 months they falls down. What's the main reason to Vechain is falls down? The Vechain main reason is that to especially the long-term investor they are starting selling, so therefore I think they falls down. But don't see the short fail, my brother. I hope after this fail also they take a very huge jumps now, because this month I hope, my brother, they will give you a very good profit. You can see, my brother, we zoom this chart exactly. You can see, my brother, they are starting moving upwards, so it's mean to they are go in the moon now, and the price is also increasing. You can see here 0.27 USD dollar, but this time you can see the price is very cheap, 13 USD dollar. So I hope, my brothers, they again hit 0.2 USD dollar, but you need to hold. If you are hold exactly, they will give you a profit plus 100.63%. The price will increase now, and if we check out last 24-hour chart, then we understand, my brothers, can and this month they will go up or not. So as you can see, my friend, the chain record will be positive, so it's mean to in this month they also hour by hour, minute by minute moving upward now. So holders, you need to hold, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now.